now allow these sheets to remain on my eye area. Hello, this is Sheetal and I'm back with another remedy, and this remedy is for your eye area. Now, if your eye area has dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles, crow's feet, or if lately you've been a little bit stressed out, not getting enough sleep, so the eye area is a little dull and lackluster and needs a fantastic home remedy, then this DIY eye sheet mask is going to be perfect for you. Now, before I teach you this remedy, let me say, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're watching this on Facebook, share, like, comment, and if you're going to use this remedy, why not take a beautiful picture and post it as a comment on Facebook below, or even on YouTube, wherever you're watching this. So let's get started. Okay, so for this remedy you are going to need about 1 tablespoonful of oat flour, and to this you are going to add about 1/4 teaspoonful of turmeric powder, about 10 to 12 drops of high quality vitamin E, and black tea, enough to make a runny paste, brewed black tea. So mix these ingredients really well. The consistency should be of something that's very runny. You don't want it to be even ketchup consistency. Thinner than that is actually better. And then you are going to use your fingertips or face mask brush to apply this remedy, this mixture, on 2 pieces of paper towel, all over the paper towel. And after you're done doing that, you're going to get some extra brewed black tea to put over the paper towel, so that these paper towel or our sheet masks are going to be wet, but not dripping wet, but as wet as they can be without they dripping. So number 1, turmeric. I never tire of talking about turmeric. Oh boy, so much turmeric in Apsara products, so much turmeric in my home remedies. And that is because it needs no introduction. It's time tested in Ayurveda. It's a superior antioxidant with this curcumin in it, and it balances out your color and it protects you. It is supposed to be, or called, a natural sun protection ingredient, and that could be because it is a fantastic antioxidant. Now, black tea. There is science behind black tea. Black tea, first of all, also has antioxidants, so that is wonderful for any area of your skin that tends to have discoloration or fine lines and wrinkles. But on top of that, black tea also provides your skin tannins. So tannins are these components that have tightening, skin tightening ability. So when used appropriately, black tea is your eye areas and your skin's best friend. Now, ingredient number next is oat flour. Now, oat flour has these sugars, polysaccharides, that get slimy when they're in water, and they raise nourishment and hydration levels to your skin quite fantastically. And fantastically, is that a word? Maybe. But the last ingredient is vitamin E, and vitamin E needs no introduction. It is an antioxidant as well, and in its oil form it is so nourishing. So these crow's feet, lines and wrinkles, they don't stand a chance. When we provide so much nourishment to this eye area, it's going to be so happy, delighted and joyful. Now, I am going to show you how to apply these eye sheet masks on your eyes and what to do next. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to wipe off my eye area with a wet paper towel. Your eye area is very delicate, so be careful. Don't be aggressive. Don't use too much pressure, and just gently wipe off anything. You may have your daily skincare routine on, or you can have a little bit of makeup, whatever it is. It's better that you wipe it off first, like that. Okay, now that my eye area is super clean, I'm going to use my sheet masks. Look at this. Looks great. Looks yellow, but don't worry, if you overuse turmeric, it can leave your skin stained for a little bit, but in this proportion, I do not think that's going to be a problem. So eye number 1, and while I can still see, eye number 2. Okay, now these sheets are on my eyes and they are going to remain there for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now I can tell you that they feel so wet, but one awesome thing is that they are wet enough to hang very tight to the skin here, and so I really don't have to press. I can just leave it alone, hands-free. So 10 to 15 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes, then you're going to peel these sheets and you're going to very gently wash your eye area. And don't forget, use your high quality eye serum right after to revitalize and re-nourish your eye area. Okay, so one more time, if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and if you do try this mask, it would be very nice to see a picture of you with this sheet mask on, so you can actually attach that picture in comments below as well. So up until the next time, take care.